Opportunity is brewing and blooming and heating up here in the Redlands Unified School District. The district is bridging the gap for some of its most creative students. The Building Resilience, Independence, and Daily Living Skills for Growth and Empowerment program, or better known as Bridge, was created to prepare young adults with moderate to severe disabilities for meaningful and independent lives. Throughout the nearly 20 years since its inception, the Bridge program has found ways to mix classroom instruction with hands-on job training. That work-based learning comes to life through 3 student-run enterprises: Studio 24 Restaurant, Terrier Grounds and Coffee Co., and the newly launched Terrier Blooms and Garden Company.
My favorite part is when we all work together, which is very important for a restaurant. We gotta work as a team.
Students enrolled in the program take on different roles to not only boost their resumes, but their confidence too.
Hi, welcome to Studio 24. My name is Dylan, and I'll be your host for today. Nice to meet you. It helps me to speak more clearly, help me do eye contact, which is mostly important, to look at people and don't get nervous.
I worked here after I graduated from Rod, and I like to work in here, and I feel confident because I feel like I know what I'm doing and I don't need that much help.
How do you feel when you're making flowers?
I feel happy about it.
From prepping for guests,
There's different jobs we could do in a restaurant, like we could help prepare the food. Some people can serve the food to the guests, and there's also host, greeter, and cash register, and deliveries.
to taking orders,
I like to make a caramel macchiato.
handling money, solving problems, and showing up every day ready to work. This hands-on approach is delivering real results. 87% of students who've completed the program are now employed or enrolled in post-secondary education, with some of them working right here in the district.
Thank you. Welcome. Appreciate you.
I always wanted to work in the coffee shop. I've been working in the coffee shop for 4 years. I feel confident, and then working at somewhere else, I probably would be nervous.
The Bridge program has been serving up success stories, one shift, one skill, one student at a time.
I wanna get a job working with flowers because I really like working with flowers and I enjoy it.
Are you good at it?
Yeah.
For these students, the Bridge program isn't just about learning to work. It's about building real skills, real confidence, and contributing to a community where everyone has a place.